Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix this app has been blocked by your system administrator here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is here at our keyboard, please press Windows and R key together to open the small window called Run. Here, please type regedit. The moment you've typed it, please click on OK to proceed. So your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes so that you would be able to open this new window called registry editor. Okay. So here you need to directly proceed to the left side of it and then select for HKey underscore local underscore machine. Click this forward arrow, please. And this time, please click on software. Click this forward arrow. And then this time, you need to look for Microsoft. Click this forward arrow. And this time, you need to go with Windows. Just select any of this file folder. Type W in your keyboard so that you would be able to be redirected to the file folder starting with letter W. Here, you need to select this forward arrow. Click the forward arrow. And this time, you need to go with current version. Click the forward arrow, and this time you need to go with policies. Okay, just have to select any of this and type P, and then you would be redirected to the file folder starting with letter P. Click this policies, click the forward arrow, and this time you need to select on system. Okay, so it's a pretty long registry path. Actually, you need to go with HK local machine, then go with software, then go with Microsoft, Windows, go with current version, go with policies, and this is the last step, which is we need to go with poly system. Okay. So once you have opened your system, here you would be able to see a value named enable LUA. Just have to double tap it and make sure that the value data is 0. So if in your case this being set to 1 or 2 or 3 or whatever value data that you have set it here, just have to make sure that it is 0 and then click on OK. Once you're done, you need to close all of these file folders that we have just opened. Okay. And might as well close this registry editor window, and this is the time that you need to restart your computer. Now there is a need to restart your computer in order to make any changes on what we have performed earlier. Okay, so this will make sure that we have that we will come up a good result, or that we will be able to fix our problem. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.